If you want to learn how to make this delicious salad, then what? Keep watching this video. Hello, my healthy people. Welcome back to Maxinescorner Veganuary Day 2. Check out Day 1, which is on the blog, and it's all about tips and tricks to going vegan. So this is my Day 2. What I have in front of me is a cup of kale, and we do know that kale is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C and a little bit of vitamin K as well, and also for your iron, that is perfect. So we have our nutrients covered as far as the kale is concerned so far. The best way to have your kale is, I like to sprinkle just a little bit of olive oil, maybe 1/8 teaspoons of olive oil. And then what you want to do is massage it. This is going to make it softer and easy to digest, okay? There we have our kale. That's how we do our kale. And I'm going to transfer this into my salad bowl that I'm going to have right now, okay? To that, I will add some corn, a cup of chickpeas, 1 cup of apples. I will also add half of an avocado. Just gonna cut that up. Just gonna put that right here. So simple. So easy, absolutely delicious, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell, because that's how you're gonna get your notifications. Some onions, and this is about 1/8 cups of onions. This is optional, but I love the taste of onions in my salad. Look at how delicious and pretty that looks. And to top it all off, I'm gonna sprinkle some slithered almonds all over it, just like that. Here we have a delicious salad packed full of nutrients, micros. You got your healthy fat, you have your protein, everything that you need is in this salad. So the next thing I'm gonna make is, I'm gonna make the dressing for this. I'm gonna make a delicious cashew cream dressing. I'm gonna show you how to make it simple and easy, okay? So let's go. Okay guys, so it's time to make our cashew cream. I have a cup of cashew that was soaked overnight, 1/8 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/8 cups of water, salt to taste, 1/8 teaspoons of white pepper. The ingredients for this recipe will be on our blog, Maxinescorner.com. So I'm just gonna mix this up now. I have my little mini mixer here. Simple and easy, guys. I'll leave, if you guys want to know where I get this, I'll leave it in the description box, okay? You guys can check it out. And then you pretty much just mix it together like this. Okay, my healthy people, so our cashew cream is all done. I'm just gonna scrape this out into our nice little container here. Look at how delicious that looks. So this is our cashew cream, our delicious salad right here. Here it is, guys, your delicious healthy salad. So that's it. That's all I have for Maxine's Corner today. If you love this video, if you're enjoying these recipes so far, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, because that's how you're going to get your notifications. Give the video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to the channel. Say it with me. Stay healthy.